Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to install Chromecast on your Samsung TV. Whether you're looking to stream your favorite shows or mirror content from your devices, Chromecast is a versatile tool that can enhance your TV experience. Step 1. What you'll need before we begin. Make sure you have these items ready. A Samsung TV with an available HDMI port. A Chromecast device. Chromecast 3rd generation or Chromecast with Google TV. A stable Wi-Fi connection. Your smartphone or tablet with the Google Home app installed. Step 2. Setting up Chromecast. Plug in Chromecast. Connect your Chromecast device to your TV's HDMI port and plug the USB power cable into a USB port on your TV or use the included power adapter and plug it into a power outlet. Switch TV input, turn on your Samsung TV and switch to the HDMI input where you've plugged in your Chromecast. Step 3. Download Google Home app. Install Google Home. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Step 4. Set up Chromecast. Add device in the Google Home app. Tap on Setup or the icon to add a new device. Follow instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to set up your Chromecast. This includes connecting it to your Wi-Fi network and giving it a name. Step 5. Casting content. Start casting. Once set up, open your favorite streaming app on your smartphone or tablet that supports Chromecast, like YouTube, Netflix, or Disney+. Tap Cast icon. Look for the cast icon, a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves in the app, and tap it. Select Chromecast. Choose your Chromecast device from the list of available devices. Enjoy streaming. Your content will now appear on your Samsung TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. Installing Chromecast on your Samsung TV is quick and easy, allowing you to enjoy a wide range of entertainment options right on your big screen. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.